Kumba Ngut ki Field Assistant Baladep ïaka jinghikai haka 49 batch Field Assistant Training course na Conservation of Training Institute Byrnihat mentakasi kila Ch Pynkup Burom haka program ba shongkun jangka passing out ceremony bala pynlong da Tnad Soil and Water Conservation jangka sorkar Meghalaya bala pynlong ha auditorium ka CTI Byrnihat haka katei ka jingïalang Pynkup Burom ya kitei ki samla ki bala pyndep ïaka jinghikai lawan ruban shim bynta da Marcuise N Marak Myntri ka Tnad Soil and Water Conservation kongsan haka jingdonlang kakong Ch Director Soil and Water Conservation Ch Momin Additional Director ba OT Lingwa Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Officer bat kiweki officer haka jingdonlang ki bahaying hasem jong kitei ki bala dep Ch Pyntabit na katei ka jaka ay jinghikai. Pedeng kitei ki arpu Ngut ki bala pyndep ïaka jinghikai bat jing Ch Pyntabit bala pendrung hausnem 8,000 arpu hadu 8,000 arpu lai san Ngut ki ki kitei bat khat riu Ngut ki ki shinrang haka ba khat Ngut ki na Tnad Soil and Water Conservation Assam Ngut ki na Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Department of Forest Shillong lai Ngut ki na Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council Department of Forest Jowai sang Ngut ki na Soil and Water Conservation South Garo Hills Division Bakmara.
Let's mark in accounts and procedure. Training with best attendance, Sri. The first is training Srimati Lima lagi datang Government of Assam. Thank you, Muna. The training securing highest marks in civil. Highest marks in agronomy, Srimati Lima Lakila. Highest marks in forest engineering. Third position, Sri Dhiran Bhaishya, Soil Conservation. Fourth position, Srimati Januki S Marak. Fifth position, Srimati Saindra Dishira, Soil Water Conservation. Sixth position, Meghalaya S Marak, Soil and Water Conservation Department. Seventh position, Sri Sangran Probat Mohsemi, Soil Conservation Department, Ukuraza Division, Government of Assam. Eighth position, Srimati Krishna Udai, Soil Conservation Department, Aflong Division. Ninth position, Sri Karma Kasa, Khasi Autonomous District Council, Forest Department, Shillong. 10th position, Sri Akamu Ratna, Soil Conservation Department, Nagaon Division, Government of Assam. Candidates Chairman Kumba place the speed. First position, Sri Pandemic Category, Sri. Second prize, Sri Jingdonlang Batari, Government of Assam. Third prize, Sri Momin Additional Director, Government of Meghalaya. Thank you, madam. 13th position, Sri Marcuise N Marak District Council, Forest Department, Shillong. Position Sri Marcuise N Marak District Council.
We all sing together, bring you riches, your present rivers, give us your blessings sincere. We the students welcome you, with songs and smiles we greet you. You will be the shining stars, you make your dreams come true. We the students welcome you, with songs and smiles we greet you. You will be the shining stars, you make your dreams come true. Welcome this day, this wonderful day, we all sing together. Bring you riches, your present rivers, give us your blessings sincere. ये रे प्यारे के पल चल आ मेरे संग चल चल सोचे प्यार छोटी सी है जिंदगी कल मिल जाए तो होगी खुश नसीबी हम रहे या ना रहे याद आएंगे ये पल हम रहे या ना रहे याद आएंगे ये पल.
Sustainable development and protecting our environment. The Conservation Training Institute is a premier training institute that offers courses and training programs related to natural resource management, soil and water conservation, ecotourism. Today I am delighted to witness a group of young individuals graduating from this esteemed institute who have gained values, knowledge and skills to make a significant impact in the communities they serve. Throughout your training, you have gained valuable knowledge and skills that will enable you to make a significant impact in the communities you serve. You have learned about various techniques and practices that can be used to conserve soil, prevent erosion, and maintain the fertility of our land. You have also gained a deep understanding of the environmental challenges we face and the ways in which we can work together to address them. But your training is only the beginning of your journey. As soil and conservation assistants, you will face many challenges and obstacles as you work to protect our environment and promote sustainable development. You will need to be innovative, proactive, and dedicated to succeed. Fortunately, you have the support of the Soil and Water Conservation Department and the wider community. You will be joining a team of experienced professionals, passionate about their work and committed to supporting them as you begin your careers. You will also be part of larger movement towards sustainability gaining momentum around the world. I urge you to be confident, committed, courageous in your work. You have been trained to be pioneers in your field, and I have no doubt that you all will make a significant impact in the communities you will be serving.
As one of the oldest and premier institute in the northeastern region, plays a key role in contributing towards achievement of the goal and objectives of the department by providing training to the field functionaries of the department and allied organizations of the state, as well as of other departments and organizations from the northeastern states. During this batch, a total of 23 trainees were nominated for the session, out of which 21 number of trainees have successfully completed, in which one of the trainees was had to be relieved early during the course due to ill health, and the other one remained absent while taking leave after attending classes for a short period. Of the successful completed trainees, 12 trainees are from the Self-Consumption Department, Government of Assam. 2 number of trainees from Khasir Autonomous District Council, the Department of Forests, Shillong, and 3 numbers of trainees are from the Department of Forests, Katei Hills Autonomous District Council, Jong, and 4 trainees are from the sorkar Conservation Division, Marcuise. Of all the 21 trainees, 5 trainees are female candidates and 16 trainees are male candidates. The theory and practical classes for the trainees were taken up meticulously. The subjects covered in this training course are agronomy, soil science, botany, soil and water conservation engineering, silviculture, survey and leveling, forest engineering, forest conservation, forest utilization, wildlife, forest law, and accounts and procedure. In addition to classroom teaching, the trainees were also exposed to project assignments, physical training, classes, games and sports, and social work. Maintenance of discipline and conduct is also given utmost importance for the development of the trainees, both physically and mentally. Study tours were also conducted to enable the trainees to visit, see and learn about different activities being implemented in the field to expand their knowledge and broaden their horizons. This batch was taken on study tour both within the state and outside the state to the following places: the Northeast and Bamboo Development Council, Byrnihat, Assam; Margar Range Office, Soil and Water Conservation Department, Meghalaya, in District; ICAR in Meghalaya. The project size of Nampo Sectorial Division in the Soil and Water Conservation Department of Meghalaya.